Hello everyone, we are SHLED company. Today I will take you to visit our factory. Our factory is located on the nuts and campus flowers of Building 9, Urban Huigu, Dongguan City. Now let's take the elevator to the next flower. The next flower has arrived. Please see, these are some projects we have done over the years, across the country and around the world. Welcome everyone to our company. This is our HR department. Next to it is our cultural wall. Our company was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Shenzhen. The company's main products including printing lines, LED mesh screens, linear light, water-washing lines, louder light, and more. Next, this is the development history of our company. Next to it is our case wall. Moving forward is our exhibition hall. Here are some of our company's owners and qualification display. This is our conference room. This is our tea room. This is our training room. This is our purchase department. This is the Vice President office. Keep moving forward. This is our comprehension office areas. This is our boss office. Next to it is the finance office. Let's go up to the second flower on the next flower. This is our rice area. Now you can see that this is our research and design department. This is a small conference room. This is our company's laboratory. There are many instructions and equipment inside. We can do UV resistance testing, thermal shock test, waterproof test, salty spray test. Inside is our storage for testing, high and low temperature testing, high temperature and humidity testing, and IES darkroom testing. Further ahead is the warehouse.